Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is literally just going to be testing a few different GoPro angles, just having fun with it really. Linking up with Jake again. I've got the Caddy kicker in the back, so we're going to see how that holds out. And yeah, just product test the Caddy kicker, and hopefully my thumb holds out, and just see where the day takes us really. So enjoy. I've got a suction attachment for the GoPro for the van as well, so let's have a go on that, and hopefully it doesn't drop off in transit. And I've also finished the build on the Caddy kicker. Almost, there's a few tweaks to do yet still, but my thumb's feeling kind of okay, so I'm hoping we can have a quick session, do a bit of product testing from BMX and Jake over there with the scooter. Yeah, man. I don't know how long we've got until we get kicked out. Anyway, so that's the crack for today, and hopefully we get it done for you. Sweet. Oh, the new whip. This is the first time on the VMX this year. Sheesh, the Black Beauty. Oh mate, she looks mint. Oh, courtesy of Flair for Media. Thank you, Diane. Absolute legend. Oh, lovely. Yo, yo, you gotta test it as well.
We've got to test it on the scooter. But I haven't ridden all this. I haven't ridden all this year.
You and me both, bro.
I'm just washed up.
Hey,
you'll get back on it.
Speak for yourself. Oh yeah. How does the kicker feel on scooter wheels?
Kicker feels perfect on scooter wheels,
so the transition's
perfect. So it's nice and easy to kick.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Kickless, bro.
Let's see it kickless.
Kick. Yo! My guy.
Let's go.
One bang. Cheers! Oh, man's record. Studio man's record. Let's go. Cheers! Man with two cameras. Two vlogs going on right now. Stressing. Fully stressing. This is the first time I've touched my bike this year, well, since the early part of December. The kicker's feeling pretty good. So far, you know, we've sent tail whips, Jake's triple whipped it, we've both free-handed it, trucked it, stuff. So I think it's time to scare myself a little bit and flip it. What we saying?
Mate, you've got it. You've got this. Let's do it. Let's get a picture as well.
Alright, stop being a pussy, Jack. Let's go. Come on. Oh shit! Did you get it? Oh! Raw, I came in nose heavy and my bars are moved, but oh my!
Oh, wait a fucking wet football. I didn't even get the photo on it.
You didn't?
No.
Bruh. Right, the caddy kicker is flippable. Come on, let's go. Woo! I needed that. Yeah.
Fucking over.
Gassed. My bars are moved. I think my wheels moved. A little bit faster. Boom. I need the frame and I ain't got pads on. Woo! Let's go. Yes. Ah, yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! Let me see this. These fucking bars. Oh! No, no. Wow. Wow.
Oh, I can't get glasses back on. Whoa.
Right, have another look at what you just created then. Now you got your glasses on.
That is madness, innit?
Right, can't even give that shit away, bro. It's on Instagram. Alright, we out here. We've done what we needed to do. Next location. Boom. New Vita feels good. The height of these, let's go. Come on. Dickhead. Interrupting. Impatient. We're on the way to Nottingham, but he obviously ain't waiting for me. thanks for watching another sick video. Thanks Jake for filming and coming along for the ride. We're going to do a point of view outro. So, my guy,
it's been fun.
like, comment, subscribe, you know how it works. Right, let's go. Right, I'm going to leave the video there, I think. What do you reckon, Jake? Good day?
It's been a good day, mate. It's been entertaining.
Yeah, got the adrenaline going again, got the heart racing. Managed to get the flip done on the kicker, so I'm gassed. So let me know where you think we should pull up with a Caddy kicker. Literally, you name a spot and we'll session it. Just finished off at Lady Bay here, absolutely freezing and my thumb's starting to hurt me. I know I'm roaring about it a bit. And shout out to DBP for the hoodie, the custom design. Go check them out, the link will be in the description. Jake's YouTube will be in the description. So come on, let's keep it moving, let's go.
Let's do it, bro. We've got this.
Yo, cheers.